If you're looking for a new banking option, you may be considering going modern with an online-only bank or a neobank. Two popular options worth looking into are Sofi and Chime, which is not a bank but a financial technology company with banking services provided by the Bancorp Bank, NA, or Stride Bank. Both of these online-only options have savings and checking products that are fee-free, but potential APY earnings, features, and other financial products offered by these companies differ substantially. Let's take a closer look at Sofi versus Chime. First things first, you need to find the right checking account that can keep your money secure and accessible. The good news is both Chime and Sofi FDIC insurance, which can protect the money held in your checking and savings account. Sofi offers a serious advantage when it comes to security. While Chime only offers up to $250,000 in FDIC insurance, Sofi works with partner banks to provide account holders with up to $2 million in coverage. Sofi also offers earnings on checking deposits of 0.5% APY 7 times the national average checking rate, whereas the Chime checking account doesn't offer any opportunity to earn interest. While both companies offer a solid APY on savings account deposits, Sofi 4.5% more than doubles the rate offered by Chime 2%, making it easier to grow your savings faster. Neither account offers fees, which makes it easier to keep more of your money in savings. Where Chime stands out is its bonus offer. It's much easier to qualify to earn $100 through the Chime bonus offer, partake in a referral program, and set up a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more than the Sofi offer, which requires you to set up a very large direct deposit. With both companies, you can set up direct deposit to receive your paycheck up to 2 days early, which can be a significant win. If you want to manage multiple areas of your financial life in one place, it can be helpful to look for a company that provides more than just basic checking and savings products. Let's examine the other product offerings from Chime and Sofi. Chime offers a limited selection of products, but they do offer a standout product that Sofi does not. Alongside a checking and savings account, Chime gives customers the ability to apply for a credit builder card. With the secure Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card, you won't have to worry about a hard credit inquiry, an annual fee, or interest. The way this card works is you make a deposit on it with cash, no minimum security deposit is required, and can spend up to that amount until you deposit more cash. This credit card functions more like a debit card, but the goal here is not to borrow money, but to build a solid credit history. If you need help improving your credit score, this is an easy and secure way to make progress. Sofi offers a wide range of financial products and services, including loans, investment options, credit cards, banking, and insurance, catering to various financial needs and goals. For example, alongside opening a checking and savings account, you can refinance an auto loan or apply for a credit card. There is no one best banking product for all consumers, but in most cases, Sofi will be the more advantageous choice than Chime. A significantly larger earnings rate on deposits for both checking and savings accounts and a high FDIC insurance guarantee makes Sofi the best way to earn more and protect your money. Sofi also offers a more robust suite of financial products that make it easy to manage most, if not all, of your financial life in one place. That being said, if your goal is to improve your credit score, then turning to Chime for their credit-building credit card may be worthwhile. However, that doesn't mean you can't also use Sofi to meet your checking and savings needs. So I believe that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.